going to give you an overview of what we're going to cover in this course. We're going to start off with theory and machine learning so we can be familiar with some of the concepts, some of the main points of machine learning as well. This includes supervised and unsupervised machine learning, which is really about how much knowledge do you have of the data that you're going to be analyzing and trying to get particular results from as well. Now, in our second module, we move into our first machine learning application. So it's quite simple. And as well, we're also going to see how to set up the proper environment for Python. So all the various libraries that we're going to need to do the processing from the various algorithms that are required. Then we get into data analysis, which is more in-depth analysis using the iris data set that we used in previous modules. So this time we're really going to go through and analyze that data and get some different results from it also. Then in the fourth module, we get into some more theory with linear algebra. It's not all theory though, because there is some application as well with code walkthroughs. Now, linear algebra is very important for machine learning because a lot of machine learning is about matrixy processing, which is mathematically you get into linear algebra. So I'll show you how to learn more about linear algebra and also some of the key points of why it's important to machine learning. Our fifth module is natural language processing. So we get into taking apart regular English language and splitting words into tokens and building up rules around it and various kinds of contexts from there. And the last module is about clustering, where we get into k-means clustering and EM and M clustering also. So we'll see how to do a few code walkthroughs with clustering samples, and these are going to be represented visually. So let's go ahead and get started with the course.